Whether or not it's going to hurt your case if you move out of the marital home depends on what your case is about. So if you're worried that, you're going to move out of the marital home and therefore you're going to give up your legal rights to the equity in the home, you don't have to worry about that. We don't have an abandonment of the property with respect to that issue here in Michigan. Just because you leave to preserve the domestic tranquility doesn't mean it's a land rush and everybody can take whatever you want. So that's not really what it is. Where it comes into play is whether or not your case involves custody of the children. If you pick up and you leave the marital home and you leave the kids where they are and don't take them with you, that could impact the case in that if later on you want to say, well, they have to come with me because it's dangerous over there, it's abusive relationship, the court's going to say, if it's so dangerous and abusive, why'd you leave your kids there? You picked up and left, and you left them in the dangerous condition. It's a very poor judgment on your part. So it could impact your case in that sense. That's why it's important to get legal advice on whether it makes sense to pick up and leave. Remember one thing, everybody in a divorce, until the court rules otherwise, has equal rights to everything, equal right to stay in the marital home. So if you're going to pick up and leave and you were wondering whether or not it may impact your case down the line, what should you do? Call a lawyer, talk to your lawyer, get advice, get direction and guidance on whether or not what you're doing is going to make sense in your overall plan. That's what you should do. And that way you won't run afoul of any rules that maybe you're not even considering at this time.
248-588-3333. 248